Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Coding. In today's video, I'll try to compare the displays of the MI11X versus the Samsung's Super AMOLED display. As you can see, friends, recently the MI11X has got a launch in the Amazon, so which is using the Samsung's different type of technology, which is the Samsung E4 AMOLED panel, as you can see here. So right now in this video, we'll be comparing the E4 AMOLED panel display from the MI11X versus the Samsung's Super AMOLED Plus display. So right now for this kind of demonstration purpose, I'm trying to use the Samsung Galaxy M51, so which will be also similar to the Samsung Galaxy F62 and other smartphones with the same kind of Super AMOLED from the Samsung. So this will be the very good comparison, friends. So we just want to know how the E4 AMOLED panel is different from the Super AMOLED Plus panel, which is from the Samsung. So we'll get to know all this kind of clear differences between both the smartphones. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, for more different kind of latest information on this MI11X device, and also do check the links in description for the playlist for more details as well. So let's begin this kind of comparison, friends, between both the phones. So right now, first let me try to play the same video in both the phones and let's see which phone is the better. So there are a couple of other things which you might be taking into consideration. So first is that the brightness of this MI11X has got the 1300 nits of maximum peak brightness, and whereas the Samsung phone right now, which has got the I think close to 430 nits of brightness. So that is what the brightness difference is. So that's what you will be experiencing some kind of differences in terms of the colors and everything, all the viewing angles. But overall, it looks very good in watching in both phones, friends. So there's nothing wrong with any of the smartphone. You can see the difference right now. Only in terms of the brightness only, I am very much happy with this MI11X device. But overall, the contrast also looks kind of good on this Samsung phone. And one thing is that there are a lot of software features which will benefit you using this kind of modes, as you can see here. So you can see some kind of difference in terms of the colors. You can use different colors, warm, original colors, vibrant or HDR mode as well, to increase the brightness and to increase the saturation and contrast levels. The software optimization is very good in this MI11X device particularly, so which is what I like more in this phone. So right now you can see in this kind of dark scenario, you will be able to see more content on this MI11X, not on this Samsung phone, because the MI11X has got very good brightness. So that might be the reason again. So overall, friends, both phones are looking very good in terms of all the viewing angles particularly. So everything looks good. And brightness wise, so let me try to decrease the brightness to 50% brightness. As you can see, friends, in terms of the brightness, you will be able to see more bright on this MI11X device, not on the Samsung. As I said, the brightness is quite good on this MI11X device if you compare with the other smartphones. So this is a quick comparison, friends, in terms of the displays, and the MI11X supports the HDR10 Plus certified you are getting in this phone, and 120 Hz, 360 Hz touch sampling rate, 120 Hz refresh rate, all those benefits you will be getting in this mobile phone. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also you can see the difference of small punch hole camera, small versus big punch hole. So that is what another difference here. In terms of the screen size, 6.67 inches. I think slightly big screen on this Samsung. I think both screens are same, maybe. As you can see, 6.67 inches screen. Only the punch hole makes the difference here. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.